Here at Nichiha, we pride ourselves on our signature durability with ample aesthetic options so that no matter the project, you can harness the power of possibilities. A part of our wood series, the VintageWood collection offers the warmth and refinement of wood without the drawbacks, expanding the potential of your design vision even further. Like the rest of our wood series, VintageWood is constructed from fiber cement with a built-in rain screen and is conveniently installed on our clip system, making for strong and lasting cladding. Made from a winning combination of cement, fly ash, silica, recycled materials, and wood fibers, VintageWood looks like the real thing but performs like cement. Unlike traditional lap siding, VintageWood boards are installed on a track system to create a similar look to shiplap. Each panel has 3 planks. For design flexibility and efficient coverage, VintageWood comes in 2 sizes, 1818 and 3030. The 1818 size speaks to the length in millimeters and converts to roughly 6 feet. The 3030 converts to roughly 10 feet. Specific sizes can be found in the specifications section for VintageWood. The 1818 panel allows architects and designers to stagger panels horizontally to create organic architectural looks. Alternatively, the 3030 size has square-cut vertical edges, limiting them to a strictly stacked layout with continuous, more obvious vertical joints. That said, the 3030 can be used horizontally or vertically to suit varying project needs. VintageWood comes in several colors: cedar, bark, ash, redwood, spruce, and blackwood, to add just the right level of depth to your project. All colors offer varying corner and trim options for a complete and polished look. VintageWood is often used on interior and exterior projects for added grain, warmth, and deeper reveal, as well as for adding rustic accents to modern looks. Check out our other Wood Series videos to compare and contrast VintageWood with the rest of the Wood Series collections and find the right wood alternative cladding for your project.